in Exodus 32, 16 through 19. You can go read it all later. But while Moses, this is when Moses went up on the mountain. When Moses was with God getting a word, he went up the first time to get the 10 Commandments. The people, he left Aaron in charge of the children of Israel, the people he was leading. Moses goes up to the mountain. He's with God, and he starts coming back down, and he hears the people laughing and singing and music playing, and he was like, wow, that's great. He thought they were going to welcome him back. And as he got closer, he realized that Aaron let them get all their gold and melt it down and make idols to worship, the golden calf, and began to sing and worship this idol. As Moses came down and saw all that was happening, the noise of the people angered Moses to the point he forgot the tablets were sacred and written by the hand of God, and he threw them down and broke them. And you know what happened? He brought a curse on his own life. God punished him in his own life because the noise of the people frustrated him. So you think about that the next time you're talking about people, or you're, not cooperating, and you're being disgruntled, and you're running your mouth. You can frustrate the men of God to the point that they end up making some grave mistake that they're going to have to pay for because of the noise. That's exactly what happened with Moses.